Awuzitsha sabze khahlamba. Welcome back to another episode like high with Diski Parliament. Bafethu, siya appreciate kakhulu for consuming our content. We really do bafethu. Keep on supporting Diski Parliament zitsha zami. If you are new like high, this is Diski Parliament bafethu. Here we talk about anything and everything Diski related. Namuhla we are diving deep into Orlando Pirates and their pre-season preparations. Folks, hamba njani?
Hey ngiyalunga folks,
Ngiyathokoza,
akhamba folks. Hey. Yeah.
Akufani folks,
Fana
akufani
folks. Sikhala siyaphambili. Sifana neambulance.
Njenge-ambulance. Folks, namhla kubakhatha nakangaka uvele wathi foka ngeligqoki lijezi. Ngiyabaqonza ngelijezi lami le-Orlando.
Se folks yabo mofake lokho folks aweva makhata folks. Nethi ufake lokho folks aweva la makhata.
Aweva uvele ufudumale.
Ayafudumala. Ubona bo badlala kunewede lenethayo. Necape badla bafake nethi lokho folks.
Bavele bafudumale. Baleni ichamuka neheat.
Neheat ayo folks.
Ngiyakubamba folks. Namhla folks angifuna dive deep into individual performances. Uyabona? When it comes to lama pre-season games lesesiwadlalile lapha eSpain. Uyabona?
Yeah.
Njenge-Orlando Pirates. Denson simbone abamba i-armband ya captain. Lo mfana ngathi uyasiphakamisa sandla folks. Uthini nje, like what did you, I know you've watched all of the pre-season games. We are going to watch the next one just now after recording here. What do you make of his performance and also the trust that coach has on the boy to an extent that he will give him the armband at just 21 years old? He's amongst the youngest to ever wear that band
for Orlando Pirates.
In recent history. Siyibonile kuMbokazi. Then boom, nyalo siyambona lo mfo. Yes, yathi uthi pre-season, but it means something.
Yeah, it's quite a big thing. Hey folks, ngiqale ngibulise ababukeli ekhaya folks.
Yeah.
Basiqhubele kudala.
Basiqhubele kudala like yesterday.
Dizabuya ngiqale say thank you to Orlando Pirates family ukuthi isiningi le football club enhle kangaka. Inhle le football club. Dibuye ndizobonga i-performance ye boys eSpain. Siyaboniswa okay. Silambile and then singa perform ku big stage. But there are questions folks. There are questions. But for now ndifuna ukuqala niphendule i-question yakho folks before siye deep down to i-question marks ezinazo.
Okay.
Dancing last season bengekho nje mandiyibeke nje icaca bengekho nje, but xa ndibukele ku pre-season folks hayi ukhulile umfana. I think la game apho wayeniwa khona ambed, I think besidlala ne Las Palmas from Spain, so uperformile kakhulu in that game. I like ukupressa kwakhe because bathi the best way you go to defend kuba upressa from the front and attack. That's the best way you defend. So uyabonisa umfana okay, I'm willing to do everything for this football club, even if now we are leading by 1-0. I'll be able to defend from the front. That's what we need from a center midfielder or an attacking midfielder or a defensive midfielder.
100%.
We need to defend first so that we can be able to attack after we have a ball.
Folks. And what do you make of his future? What are your expectations for this season that we are heading into? And the fact that he wore that armband, what does it tell you about the future of the boy?
It's clear, folks. It's clear. Okay, this boy it's part and it's on the plans of coach Orlando Pirates. Usezincwadini. That means uzawudlala, let's say maybe 16 or 17 games out of 30 games. Uzawudlala.
ngiyakubamba folks.
Ngokwe performance nangokwendlela improving from the previous season.
Ngibamba kahle I can see that too. 100% on the money. Folks, Dansson is not the only player that I believe delivered my preseason games. We saw a young talent. Siyabonga. Bitso wami. Dladla.
Siyabonga Dladla.
Bitso wami. What do you make of the performance? Do we have another record breaker in the making here?
The happy ngodladla. I like ndithanda indlela aqala ngayo play from the back. Or understand the culture here Orlando Pirates. Okay, we don't just kick the ball and hope for goal. We don't do that. We Orlando Pirates. We don't play European football or Orlando Bati a route one. We don't play a route one in Orlando Pirates. We believe you must start it at the back. You must play your two center backs. Your two center backs must connect with one defensive midfielder. One defensive midfielder connect with attacking midfielders. Attacking midfielders connect with the forwards, and then you get the goal. That's the culture of Orlando Pirates. That's how we play.
And the boy is well adapting to that culture.
So the boy is well adapting in that football style, and I'm happy with that. He's very comfortable on the ball, kicking the ball, using his feet. He's like a midfielder.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah, he's like a midfielder, pro midfielder. He's like Busquets.
We are calling nokungena phakathi at the numbers like phakathi whenever
the ball. Yes, I always say, folks, if you are good in a modern football belongs to wing backs. So that's what we are doing in Orlando Pirates. We have full wing backs, not full backs in Orlando Pirates. Yeah, we have Dion Horto, we have Sibelebele. Those are the wing backs, not full backs.
Also Nandaba naye we
yes. If Orlando Pirates are starting the play, you will find Sibelebele already play in the opposition half already. And also Dion Horto will do the same. But you'll find that the two center back now are splitting. Yeah. And then you will find CBC playing like as a right back and then Sibelebele as a left back. 100%. That's where the goalkeeper will saying I'm occupying the space in the middle. Yeah, that's what we need in Orlando Pirates. That's what we call modern football.
Got you.
So if we are doing that in Orlando Pirates, there are like 100% chances to succeed in Orlando Pirates.
Ngifuna siyivale le episode lena nga two more players, senior players in the team.
Yeah,
Sibelebele and Muremi. Muremi sibone a beautiful shot. That goal was beautiful from him.
I'll start by Sibelebele. Folks, Sibelebele is doing good. He's a very, very good player. I can't say he's a very good right back. I can't say he's a very good
player
right wing. He's just a very good player.
Because he's versatile.
Very versatile player. You can play Sibelebele as a central midfielder, attacking midfielder, left wing, right back, left back. You can play Sibelebele in every position. Yeah, it's a very good player, Sibelebele. But when it comes to Muremi is having a good. It's like I can say Muremi is having a potential to be a good player, but then Muremi needs to like improve in many things, like first touch.
Okay.
Muremi agana have first touch, folks. Agana have first touch. Like Muremi, sometimes even I'm a fan of Orlando Pirates. Maga trap Muremi at times. I feel like I'm trapping because at times Muremi trap ball at be bumpy then defenders same time. And then at times ingasungasebenzisa joystick control Muremi ukuthi say trap le ball and then and times ubona ukuthi a good first touch in this position izasinika something better. We can even get a goal in this position. But umurema trap kakubi. I trap ibhola idamba qhambe ihambe le ibe good. As soon as i-first touch yakho iba bad, then i-end product already say bad. That's why Mofokeng beke excella in many things, because Mofokeng master of first touch. Be first touch abantwana webhola ize ngapha nobize ngapha nobize ngapha ibeke ncane. Yeah. Then now if first touch yakho good, i-defender say hesitate, thinga twice ukuthi defend or the mark. So once i-defender ibe kwezoncinga ba ndiqala ngokumarka or ndiyadefenda, because i-defend yazazi ukuthi okay i-basics zokudefenda siqala ngokudefenda then sigqibela ngokumarka. Yeah. Then now if first touch yakho i-good to the point uba i-defender ingazazi ba ndimarke or ndidefende, then now you're becoming a problem. But if utrap ibhola ihambele pha, then i-defender sayazi ba no, there's no need to ban defend apho man mark, because ibhola sekuyet it's 50-50. We are chasing the same ball now.
So siyabhayisiseka with the trapping department.
Yeah, so umuremi ifanga improve. Overall I'm happy and ngithanda nalento ba xa ke fumana opportunity shame wenza sure okay we get a goal or at least shot on target or attempting. So I do like that.
Ayizo folks. Folks, I do not want to make this episode long for our people there. So I would like us to close this one now, then reopen it. Because there's a lot that we need to talk about tonight.
Nakanjani folks.
Bafethu, siyabonga kakhulu for tuning in and watching up until this far. Siyabuya. Just give us a few minutes. Siyabuya. But maybe those few minutes it might be a couple of days because we do not post the videos on the same day. Yabo. Sifuna ukuthi nje uhlale u-engaged, uyangithola une-entertainment every day, unalama news every day, but otherwise siyarecorda after this. Thank you bafethu, thank you zinja zami. This is Diski Parliament. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and share your opinions down below bafethu. Comment. We truly value that because sifuna kuva imicabango yenu, uyangithola, sifuna kuva imicabango yenu. Here we talk anything and everything disc related. Folks unawo mava okuvala la.
Na folks ngento engayisho ukuthi guys, if ufuna comment guys, you can comment opinion yakho
and value isha like
and ndingathi siyavumelana naye, but there's no need ba uthi uthuke or uthini, but comment yakho, but opinion yakho masibonisane guys. This is Diski, and then masibonisane simple like that.
Sifundisane njengebhola. I like that folks. And ngiyathemba nani lokho kuyanijabulisa kuva lokho, and as much as nathi masikhuluma sina addressa with respect, we also expect that the respect in return. But otherwise bafethu siyabonga for the support. If you've watched up until this far, if you are a returning subscriber, we truly value you. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. This is Diski Parliament. Anything and everything disc related. Thank you, Zinja.